Hello, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called 10x your commissions. You will be launched on tomorrow. That is 12 September 12, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what is the 10x your commission? Let's take a look at the sales page, and you will see the sales page. It will underline from explore the actually unknown secrets for 10x your commission that make us $5,000 monthly in side income. How does this work? It will show you the sales page will show you how you can 10x your secrets. This is also slow down. This is also have a income proof, and also he have some testimonial. Also, they also have some exclusive bonus, but they have to. This is the Cynthia and John. This is also this partner, and John is the creator. They used every time to need a quick inflow of cash. This is also you don't need have any previous experience whatsoever. They will show you step by step how to use this simple instruction, and you can do it for you. This is only just 3 steps. Step 1. You just get them a 10x commission. Step 2, follow the step inside the members area. Step B, and then you will watch your affiliate account. You will get more and more commission. Step 4, raise and repeat. This is also optional. And you will get this. They also have some exclusive bonus for you. I remember this also have five bonus. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, and bonus number 5. They also have 5 exclusive bonus for you. So you can take a while to go through the sales page. So let's take a look. So I go through I take a look inside the members area. So this is the members area. This is very common. The first email is welcome email. This is also his partner, Cynthia. Also the second email. The second video is the overview. Overview how to 10x your commission. This is on the main training is on module 2. There's a ton of information. I highly recommend use and use the sit down and shut down all the social media distraction because this is a very long training. You should take a seat and also take your time and grab a pen and paper to write down some keyword training. If you have not go through them and understand everything in the step, I highly recommend you can review the video again. The step one, the video one is how this 10x commission work, and then the second is a quick website setup. This is also very important to set up your website. In this video, we teach you how to very quickly to set up your website. And step one, the next step is starting about YouTube channel. As IB is also a YouTube channel. And honestly, I'm also a very newbie. I just opened my YouTube channel just a month ago. So and hope you will give me a chance. And also if you are interested in my video, you can also subscribe to my channel. And the next step is the A-Web account creation. A-Web account response. This is the most important for any new online business marketer. You should build your you should build your list. And the next step is finding a product to promote. And the main literature is online. The third is also have 3 main platform. You can find something. You can find a product to promote. It is also included the ClickBanner, JB Sooner, and WordPress. This video will take you through how to do that. And building a 10x bonus page is also a very specific how to 10x your bonus page. This is also and this step is the bonus delivery page and free buyer list. Free buyer list is more valuable than freebie. If you give away something, you also to build your list. This is the freebie. But the buyer list is they have to buy something. They have credit card. They are ready to buy something. This is more I think it is more valuable than freebie list. And the next step is the 10x commission machine video. It will take you through how to record your video. Free traffic from a blog. How to make use of your blog to drive free traffic. Email promote mastery. When you build a list, how to email list and also make a profit. And the next step is building a landing page. A landing page is a page that is very important for you to build a list. How to build a landing page, and you should also mastermind this skill for your building your list. This is also my next step is a free traffic method. John would take you through how to build, how to use another source to for free traffic. This is completely no-brainer. Anyone have no experience, newbie, anyone can do that. The next step is buying solo ads for leads, and also included case study. Solo ad is and another method is also paid, but pay someone you will have an email list, and you pay someone such as 100 click, and maybe 15 cents, and you will have to pay them $15, and they have to have 100 clicks, and also you can build your list very fast. But this is also a case study how you can make profit when you buy a solo ad. The last video is 10x branding secrets. Is how to use your brand yourself. You also to make more money and 10x your success. And then module 3 is a conclusion, and the next step module 3 is you will get all the exclusive bonus, in the sales page. Module number 5 is announced bonuses. It also has some exclusive bonus that they haven't announced in the sales page. Bonus module 6 have also some resources. Maybe this is some resources they mentioned in the training video. Module number 7 is upgrade. If you have buy this program just the front end, if you want to more comprehensive, more success, you can thinking to buy more upgrade. If it's your second choice, you can buy the upgrade. So let's take a look at what I have the exclusive bonus for you. If you are interested for this product, please stay with me. I have some exclusive bonus for you. Don't forget, you will get all my exclusive bonus in the description. The first link is my bonus page, and the second link is I also provided a free training, free course and how to make money with affiliate marketing. Also has my second link is free membership you can give away, and also to get paid. So I have some exclusive bonus for you. Exclusive bonus number 1 is Facebook domination secrets, how to grow your business, and also teach you how to attract high-paying clients using just your Facebook profile. It's also a free traffic. Bonus number 2 is a social media marketing pro. This is a complete guide to social media marketing domination. This is also a must for every digital marketer. Bonus number 3 is the buyer list with generation strategy. This is also a strategy how to build your buyer list from different sources, from the blog, SEO, and other sources. Bonus number 4, profitable video marketing. Focused on how to do video marketing right, and also to massive return for your effort and also your investment. Bonus number 5 is the Facebook webinar and Deluxe. This is a plugin that allows you to collect the leads inside your WordPress site and also export them CSV in one can, and also and automatically opt in your favorite auto response service. This is a plugin, and this is also help you to collect the list from your website and also plug in into auto response. Bonus number 6 is also included free or no cost traffic app you can get started with today. Just on your mobile. Why not use some app in your mobile to get more traffic? Bonus number 7 is closing high ticket sales. A step-by-step course teaches what's the tax and interest. This to unlock down to high ticket offers. High ticket offers is often in make money online or digital marketing. They also have some big big commission. That's something they will tell, they will sell 500 and something some course training course will 997 1497 2000 1997 and some beyond higher price over $2,000 you will get 15%, and that is much easier for you to how to get $5,000 or even $10,000 a month. Bonus number you will get access to a free quick ebook creator, that easy way to create ebook with your WordPress blog. You also to create your ebook. This is also when you can create more ebook you will give away as a bonus. And also you get all the exclusive bonus inside the members area. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0 when you purchase practice button. You and also get the products. Even if you purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the Warrior Pass. When you put this blue button, this called affiliate bonus, you will get all my exclusive bonus, included a vendor bonus. So let's take a look at what is. Lastly, I will take you through what is the upsell and the price. And the upsell number 1 is 10x commission machine. This is also our advanced training. $47 is come with downsell $37. Upsell number 2 is 10x commission machine. You will get done for you 1 year again bonus page. This is also a complete no-brainer. You should get it $47. But it also have downsell $37. $37 you will get you much save your money, save you more time, and also you will get the bonus page reviews higher and also bonus. Option number 3 is the 10x commission machine. You will get double reseller why you will get 100% commissions for this product as well as this previous product, the collector. This is also $67 with downsell $47. Option number 4 is 10x commission machine. Is catch coaching. Is 197. Is come with downsell with 147. Is will also get 2 to 3 Skype or Zoom coaching section with John, and also will have email, Facebook support for 1 month. Is about you will teach you how to do the internet marketing. I highly recommend you can grab it for him. He is a very well-known marketer. You will get and don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus inside this bonus page, and you will and all my exclusive bonus will you can grab this before the countdown timer. When you hit 0, before the countdown hit 0, when you press this blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the Warrior purchase file. And also you will get my bonus page in the description below. The first link is my bonus page, and the second link you will get a free course how to make money online with affiliate marketing. The third link is about the free membership you can get away and also to get paid. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I will have more upcoming product will be reviewed in my channel. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.